Hi, my name's Brad Hamlin. I'm here at NAB 2008. We're Burst Electronics, here to introduce the HD logo generator. It takes HD or SD, SDI video, give one input, two outputs, stores up to 4 logos. These are full 24-bit bitmaps, full bandwidth HD. You have controls for speed, how fast the logo turns on and off, transparency. You can move the logo anywhere you want on the screen, horizontal and vertical. Also have a toggle for take and logo selection. The back of the unit, it's USB controlled. We have our SD input, our 2 SD outputs, and external clock input for scheduling, and a GPI input. We have the unit in operation here. You can see that the indications for which logo is being displayed. You also have indication on whether the logo is on or off, as well as which video format you've got going in, either HD or SD. If it's amber, it's HD. If it's green, it's SD. As you can see here on the monitor, we've got 4 different logos that I'll cycle through. And you can see some of them are transparent, others are not. We can make these logos move anywhere we want on the screen. You can make them transparent from the front panel or from software control. There's also a scheduler feature in here, which allows you to call any logo you want at any time, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Once the logo is installed and the scheduler is set up, you no longer need the computer. All right, this is the logo generator software. As you can see, we have a relative screen position, which is showing the currently displayed logo. You can call up each of your 4 logos from the software. You have fade speed, mix ratio, your take, positioning. Then also there's a scheduler, which allows you to select which logo you want, at what time of day, how long you want it on, how often you want your logo repeated, and which day of the week. There's up to 20 of these schedules that you can set up. Once saved, it goes into the hardware, and again, you no longer need the computer. The HDLG, as well as all of our other products, are available through Markertech.